Growing up in a predominantly female household, I didn't know what an engineer was. It was only through research on the internet that I came across a video that showed me how engineers are impacting cities all around our world. Seeing the transport network connect millions of people around the country and how these shiny, great big skyscrapers were shaping our city, I knew I would become an engineer. I am now one of those people I saw in a video many years ago. Working for Transport for London now allows me to help build a greener, safer and more accessible city. TfL connects millions of people every single day. It is the beating heart of the city. There's something quite humbling working on large infrastructure projects. The scale of projects I work on are so big, and although I may only impact a tiny part of the project, it feels like I'm contributing massively. Working on something small, like moving some cables, may seem insignificant at the time, but all these little design concepts, when brought together, is what really makes large infrastructure projects successful. Whether it's building a new station, a new line extension, upgrading some track, it's all to ensure passengers have safe journeys every single day. Whilst the engineering industry is still working towards gender parity, it is essential that we invest the time to paint the real picture of engineering. Engineering has had a facelift over the years. It's no longer about spending time in dirty conditions. It's not always about spending time doing complicated calculations. And it's a picture that we need to paint, that it's no longer just a career for men. Young girls need the confidence and encouragement to pursue a career in engineering, and I am 100% a part of this movement. If I didn't have strong female role models in my household growing up, I may not have had the confidence to study engineering at university and then go on to pursue a career in engineering. I want to be a role model to young girls and for them to understand that if it's possible for myself to have a successful career in STEM, it's also possible for them. I've only just started my professional career, but for every barrier that I break down, I'm paving the way for more young female engineers who follow.